In this video, I want to show you how to connect your iPhone 16e to the Wi-Fi, or to disconnect yourself from a Wi-Fi network and connect to a new one. So simply drag down from the top right corner and you're going to notice this is the Wi-Fi symbol. Keep press on it again, and then select Wi-Fi settings. Over here, you'll be able to select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to, let's say this one. And now simply type your password down below. Then press the join button. Wait a few seconds, and you should have a blue check mark beside the Wi-Fi network, signifying that the iPhone is now connected to that network. If you want to disconnect yourself, simply press the I button beside the Wi-Fi network and select Forget this network. By tapping Forget this network, you're gonna be disconnected from the network and you can connect yourself to another one. If you're traveling and you want to connect yourself to a different network, simply tap on it in this list, type the password, and you'll be able to connect to that different network. And when you're coming back home, it will connect automatically to your home Wi-Fi without you having to go in this menu. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.